During this session, the second tooth on the cutter will be sketched on a new datum plane that is tangent to the curved surface of the circular disc and perpendicular to the DTM1 datum plane. We'll start the process of creating this new datum plane by first clicking on the Datum Plane Tool icon. And then we'll select the curved surface of the cutter shown here. Next, we'll hold down the Control key and click on the DTM1 datum plane. We now must change the constraints listed in the datum plane window so that our new datum plane is tangent to the surface of the cutter and normal to DTM1. As we can see, the new datum plane is now positioned correctly, so we'll click on the OK button. This new DTM3 datum plane will be used as our sketching plane for the second tooth, so we'll click on the Extrude Tool icon, followed by clicking on Placement and Define. Now we'll select both the sketching plane and make sure that DTM1 is our reference plane, with the orientation set to top before clicking on the Sketch button. As before, we'll change the display type to Hidden Line when we are in Sketcher and then zoom in on the sketch. We'll now click on both sides of the cutter's base feature and then the DTM1 datum plane, and finally both sides of the first tooth in order to define them as references. Now we'll sketch the profile of the tooth by first clicking on the Create Line icon and then sketching 4 lines. Next, we'll dimension the distance between the horizontal lines of the sketch, and then modify the value of the dimension to 3.5 units. We'll now select the Continue icon and then make sure that the extrusion will occur a specified depth from the sketch plane, and then set this depth to 2 units. We'll now preview and then accept our new feature.